Did you know that you can save lots of time fast? In this video, I will show ways to save time. Find your lost time. Think about what you need to do to save time. Find out where you're losing time. What you need to cut down on, such as watching TV, listening to the radio, reading less email, and what you need to do more of, such as studying, exercising, meditation and yoga. Wake up early in the morning. If you want to save time, try to wake up early. Then you'll get more done. To wake up early, put the alarm clock far away from your bed so that when it rings you have to get out of bed. Don't drink tea or coffee before going to bed, and it's a good idea to take a shower before you go to bed. You can do a relaxation exercise in bed before you go to sleep to help you sleep better. Plan what you are going to do. In the morning, write down on paper everything you plan to do during the day. Then think about the order in which you are going to carry out the tasks. Also, write down a schedule of what you will do during the day and what you will do that week. Visualize the tasks. If you want to get things done and save time, you should visualize the tasks. Because when you visualize the tasks, it is more likely to come true, because the subconscious mind cannot distinguish between what is imaginary and what is real. You trick your mind into thinking it has already happened. You should visualize for 20 minutes twice a day. As you practice visualization, you will become more and more skilled at it. It's also healthy and develops intelligence and creativity over time because it activates all the cortices of the brain. You should do the visualization technique in the morning and before you go to bed when it is most effective. Get enough sleep. It is important to get enough sleep. You should get about 7-8 hours of sleep. It is not a good idea to sleep more than that because it will make you feel more tired. Exercise. It's a good idea to exercise as soon as you wake up in the morning to get more energy and get the most health benefits. Drink water. To get more energy, it is important to drink water to keep you going. Water is the most important of all as it has many health benefits. Find your body's rhythm. It's a good idea to do the most important things first when you have lots of energy. For example, when you have exercised or have just eaten lunch. Take a shower. You should take a shower first thing in the morning. It will refresh you and give you the energy to get things done, as well as allow you to focus on the tasks you need to do. Practice meditation. Many people think that meditation is a waste of time and useless. But studies show that it has a lot of benefits. For example, it makes people concentrate better and improves memory. That's why it saves time and you get more done. All you have to do is meditate for 20 minutes a day. Give your mind and body a rest. It is important to give your mind and body a rest. Then you have better mental and physical health. For example, better memory, concentration, metabolism and mood. For example, you should practice yoga and meditation, walk outside, listen to music and read books. Final thoughts. If you implement these techniques, you will save lots of time in your life. Thanks for watching.